It is. April 2018 and that was a tron. Oh fuck! I can't. It didn't because I was looking at that tron over there. And Steve Dahl takes the tron to work. I'm wondering if I'll see Steve Dahl. I hope he wouldn't be a prick to me if I see him. I'd rather not see him if that happens. I don't want any more fucking bad experiences with anyone. I had enough bad with some fucking authoritarian piece of shit who harassed me while riding the METRA electric tron. This is so fucking exciting.
Your attention. The next METRA train approaching your station will be a METRA Express train and will not stop.
E-trons in the same video.
Your attention, please. The next METRA train approaching your station will be a METRA Express train and will not.
This is an exciting place to make videos of trons. There's just so many of them. There's more, must be more trons in this line than any of the others. Trons are fucking cool. Oh God, I don't know when that tron will get there. It can't be that long. Unlike other people who just stop the video when one tron comes by and there's an N-minute video and there's like trons in the same video. You know, it's... I'd rather not edit the video where it looks like trons come by in N minutes, because trons do not come by in N minutes or whatever. I'll sit down here and wait for the tron. But I always got something interesting to talk about while waiting for it. Yeah, the fucking worst day I had during this trip were the day I got in wasn't all so great, but I found out that my fucking radio cord broke, and then on the day after, on tax day, April 10, I couldn't find any fucking replacement for the cord that broke, and I still couldn't find a place. Before I go back tonight, I'm going to check out Best Buy. I'm not very fucking hopeful. I wonder if Steve Dahl would be, I wonder if I'd run into him. I kind of believe in respecting people's right to privacy. I don't believe in doing ambush journalism. I don't believe in doing it to Steve Dahl anyway. It'd be cool if he talked to me and everything. I don't think it's going to happen, unfortunately. And I got to write the GPS coordinates down to the station before I leave as well. I'm so glad I have Asperger's syndrome, because I make the most interesting tron videos in the whole world. No one makes more interesting tron videos than I do. It's exciting to make videos of trons. I wish I was writing that tron, but not with an authoritarian fucking prick who would tell me to stop filming. That fucking bastard who did that to me and threatened me. Oh God, that better not happen again. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make a video of a tron. wish I was riding that Tron. The people who live in the Chicago area, they're such lucky fucking bastards. They have so many Trons to ride. Is there another Tron behind the Tron, but I can't get the Tron because that Tron is over there blocking it. That's exciting. There's so many Trons. Oh God, I wonder if that's an Amtrak Tron. Oh God, I don't know what Tron that is. I wonder what Tron that is. Is that another? Oh, it's another METRA Train. It's exciting to make videos, and I make the most interesting videos in the world. And I'm so glad I have Asperger's syndrome. And I say what's on my mind, and I make a video, and if people don't like it, fuck them. There's so many Trons in the same video. I wonder if there's going to be even more Trons. At some point, it slows down and there's not so many of them. Oh, I don't see another Tron, so this is the end of this video.